my topic is advertisement in the television and newspaper. Advertising is a way of expressing and tell something in little time with a huge impact. In 21st century, advertising makes several new development and with that a global phenomenon. It contains several types and the idea. The keywords: advertisement, social idea, observation, technology, audience management, communications, journalism, media, marketing. Five types of the advertising: product, again, public service, surrogate advertising, classified advertising. And when the advertiser makes the ads, they always think about the target audience, and the most target audience is the children. I also concerned with the advertising, applies how the advertising can affect on the mindset. Let's see about two different Surfer Excel powder and ideas. So let's see one video about the. One idea can change your life. It's also about one video I like to show.
ये मॉन्यूमेंट्स उन्हीं कारीगरों ने बनाया है जिन्होंने ताजमहल बनाया था।
अच्छा, इंडिया में कोई भी किसी को उल्लू बना सकता है। बेचारा को कोई आइडिया नहीं है।
आइडिया है।
तो दादा इंटरनेट में तो लिखा है ताजमहल बनाने के बाद सबका हाथ काट दिया था।
लिखा है उल्लू बनाओ।
हमारा सर्विस सबसे अच्छा है।
इंटरनेट पे तो पूरा इंडिया आपको चोर बोल रहे हैं।
लो उल्लू बनाओ।
सुपर हिट फिल्म्स स्टार बना दूंगा इसी में मोहित शर्मा मेरा बाप।
इंटरनेट पे तो एक भी फिल्म नहीं है।
और इंटरनेट तो बता रहा है वो बेच रहा है। बताऊं झूठ। बाबा को चांदी सोने में बारिश होगी कोने।
बाबा जब बारिश अपने आप आई है तो सोना चांदी क्यों?
उल्लू बनाओ।
अफ्रीका में उल्लू मत बना समझे।
संडे फुटेज ना कोई बैड हैबिट नहीं है जी, पर फेसबुक तो कुछ और ही बोल रहा है।
इंडिया इंटरनेट जब लगावे इंडिया को उल्लू बनावे।
मोबाइल पर इंटरनेट व्हाट आर इंडिया सर जी।
व्हाट एन आइडिया। उल्लू बनावे।
And electric communications medium that allow the transmission of the real-time visual image and also sound. Tel means the from far away. Vision means the to see, means the Doordarshan. Television means the device to which a picture and sound can be broadcast by the means of the radio, fuse or a cable. A television advertisement or television commercial after just a commercial an ad or the ad film is a span of the television programs produced and paid by an organization which conveys a message typically to market a product or service. Importance of the television is to the communicate and to spread information like ideas, skills, and attitude has been affirmed by the researcher. BBC director has said, text to home and school, I believe television to have a more profound influence on the human race than any other humans medium from the education. Here is the image about what is a television advantage. Advertising promote message and broadcast reverse advertisements and mobile videos is also connected. TV broadcast system, consumers response, it is also about this image. History of the newspaper. The history of the newspaper in India at 1718 with the publications of the Bengal Gazettes from the Kolkata. In 1789, the first newspaper from Bombay, now Mumbai, the Mumbai Herald appeared. For news agency in India, Press Trust of the India, United News of the India, Hindustan Samachar and Samachar Bharati. It is a four newspaper. He is collected for the Indian news. Here is the image about the Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi also advertising through the giving his idea, like giving to example Startup India, Stand Up India and Waking India. Making India is also giving the idea, digital idea. This spread for the idea through the newspaper and the televisions. Advertise as a medium, create newspaper and the magazine in the India are the independents and the usually privately owned. About the 5,000 newspapers and 115 of them major publishers are published daily in the nearly 100 language. Over 14,000 periodicals are also published in India. The periodicals specialize in the various subjects, but the majority of them deal with the subject of the general. Now my conclusions about the advertise as a medium creates awareness and builds confidence in the consumers. Thus, advertising help in the making the economic system more responsive. Consumers preference ultimate is the speed of the process of the resource allocation. Sometimes it can make the hearts of them thinking, affecting. Example, the ad of Dag Achhe Hain. Do you get the sense that in what sense this ad is? Likewise, advertising making the huge impact on the human mind and that makes us to the thinking, because the thinking is the most important. Thank you.